First off, I want to thank y'all for checking out my channel. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe, hit that like button, leave me a comment. It helps my channel grow. And then I'll finally get to working back on some cars once I get this old building done. But as you know, as the name of Heritage, we love things that are old. And I ran across this old cool cabinet, and I had to have it to put all my man trinkets in once I get the shop done. I'm starting a cleanup process on this old cabinet I got to go in my man cave. I know this is a little different, but that's why we ain't been getting to play with cars a whole lot, because I've been trying to get this building ready for this winter time. So I found this cool old cabinet, and believe it or not, I found this at like a Renew store for $100. Can you believe that? Man, I was so tickled and grateful. This thing is so cool. And all this wood back here on the back, all the doors and everything, 2 of them have been changed. These 2 over here on the bottom have been changed, but for the most part, all original. Still got the wavy glass in it. I got to get me some cleaner and get this here off where they had the tape on it when we traveled it. And the good thing about it is it's on wheels, so I can roll this thing around. So let's get it cleaned up and see what it looks like. I think it's awesome. If you've never used any of this Howard stuff, I want you to check this out right here. It is something else. It feeds the wood. Man, look how pretty that is now. And all it takes is just wiping that off. Right there versus right there. Isn't that crazy? How good that looks. I can't wait to get all the inside of that thing, my little trinkets in there. Wow, look what, just a few minutes and a little bit of cleaning and some preservative to feed that wood on that thing, that Howard stuff. Look at how beautiful my cabinet is. Wow, that's gonna be so cool in here. Look here, there's after I put the feed on it, and there's before. That's what it looked like, and all I done was put this Howard feed and wax on it. Just wipe it on there, it cleans it, and look at that. Wow, that is crazy. I love it. Other than those 2 doors right there, which they did a really, really good job. I'm not so sure they've done a good job on reproducing them things, but you can see that a little bit. So we'll put some Howards on that. And then that's just like the back of this cabinet. The part you don't even see is beautiful. So tickled with my cabinet. Last thing, how cool is I found this tag, done a little research. This thing come out of a college that is down in Georgia, which is right next to where we live. And I thought, now how cool is that it ended up in Tennessee and repurposed and didn't get trashed?